showing you how to set up Google My Business. So first of all, it's a Google My Business course from our company Actination. So first of all, you need to have a Gmail account, a Gmail business account. Like when you go to gmail.com from a guest user account or something, just create one for your business. Then after entering all the information, click on that 9-dot option on near your profile picture icon. Then you'll see the Google My Business option. Then when you go to Google My Business, they'll be enter your details for the postcard verification. There are mostly, I'll tell you about 3 ways of verification. After verification, you can just sign up for Google Ads, which means you can advertise your business on Google. And then with Google My Business, you can create a totally free website. It's totally free, no charge, and it's a pretty cool website. And these are the 3 ways of verification. Okay, and the first way is physical postcard. It's you fill all the details, like where to send it, your address and stuff like that. Then they'll say that your postcard is on the way and it'll take almost about 25 days. Maybe, I don't think it'll take that much. Maybe, I think 17 days or something. Okay, so it'll take that much. And the second way of verification is email. Normally when postcards don't arrive, you can just directly contact Google through that help option from there. From there you can just contact them through email, fill all the details, and one Google support agent will contact you. Like the Google My Business support team will contact you and they'll give you the verification code. And for some businesses, only for some businesses, there will be the phone verification option. Normally all businesses don't get this phone verification option. You can just directly enter your phone number and it'll give you the verification code of it. Then your site will be live. After verifying, it'll be in Google. When you search your business name, it will always be there, on the website. It'll be there. So once you finish that, now you can invite your employees and stuff to them. Then with your employees assistants, you can assist customers and purchase items through customers can purchase items through a website. So it'll be this is a pretty cool way of running a business. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you liked this video and it helped you set up Google My Business. And if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Please, guys, I need a little more subscribers because I checked in YouTube Studio that only 10%, only 8% of viewers subscribe to me, and the rest of the 92 are not subscribed. So please subscribe me because it'll help me a lot, and if you want, you can change your mind later. Thank you, guys. Bye.